If you want to be consistent at doing literally anything positive, like exercising, studying, meditating, and lots of other positive things, but the problem here is that you just don't know how to be consistent, well, you've come to the right place. Hi, my name is Laksana, just an average person who's trying to be consistent. I wake up every single day and do 100 push-ups before 5 a.m. every single day, and it's fully documented on my Instagram. You can just check it out. If you want to be consistent and literally change your life to the better, take control over your own life, well, I actually want to say thank you. Thank you for actually caring about your life, because hey, just think about it. You actually deserve that thank you. So, hey, this is August 6, 2025, and this is going to be day 394 of consistently helping people build consistency. So this is literally the biggest mistake that people have when they are trying to be consistent at doing something. Okay, the cycle is something like this. This is also happens to my past version of myself, and I believe that lots of you guys also fell into this mistake. Okay, whenever he or she, whenever this, like, let's just say that there's this one person, right? This one person, he got motivated. He got motivated to do something. Let's say he wanted to exercise consistently. He just watched some motivational video, and now he said to himself, "Oh, you know what? Yeah, I need to exercise every single day in order to be healthy, in order to look good, in order to stay strong, in order to get discipline and take control back over my own life." And the thing that he does here is basically he did 100 push-ups that day. He did 100, I don't know, maybe 10 kilometers of running, which is actually good, okay? He is moving his body. But the problem here is that he only uses all the energy for that day, okay? And I think we can all pretty much agree that motivation comes and goes. Okay, you are not going to be feeling as motivated as you are on that particular day. The next day, the motivation is going to be gone. And even if it sticks, there is no guarantee that you are still going to be feeling as motivated as that on the next day. Okay, motivation comes and goes, and if we rely in our motivation to stay consistent, well, we are not going to be consistent, because hey, consistency means showing up every single day, or at least showing up as the schedule that we have, the schedule that we want to have. Motivation is unpredictable. Sometimes it comes, sometimes it goes. But here's the thing. It's something that's 100% natural, okay? The problem comes when we rely way too much on motivation. The thing that we need to rely here, instead of we rely on motivation, we should rely on systems. Systems that are going to help us stay consistent even on the days when we are not feeling motivated to do the thing that we should be doing. So I'm going to be showing you guys one of a really effective system that you can implement, okay? There are lots of systems out there that can help you, but I found this is like one of the most effective way. Basically, the thing that you want to be doing here is to basically create on a small but long-term commitment to your friend. Okay, so for example, still in the context of exercising, this is not medical advice, but let's say this one person, instead of just doing 100 push-ups, but then the next day he didn't do anything, the thing that he want to be doing here is to basically contact one of his close friend and explain the urgency. Why does he want to exercise consistently? Just be honest with that one friend, okay? Oh yeah, man, I really want to be consistent at exercising because, hey, this is the thing that I've been struggling for so long, okay? I know this is a really important thing for me because, hey, health is my priority and exercising makes me healthier. I know that. That's so basic, okay? But I always get lazy. And hey, I also wanted to feel good about myself. I want to have some discipline. I want to look good in the mirror and so on and so on. Okay, just basically be honest with your friend, with this one friend, okay? And then the next thing that you want to be doing here is to basically create on a small but realistic commitment to his friend, okay? This is not medical advice, but for example, oh yeah, man, since precisely I know exercising is so important, I'm gonna be spending my time for the next 1 month. I'm gonna be exercising every single day and do 10 push-ups every single day. This is, relatively, let's just say this is something that's relatively easy for him. but not that easy. It's still challenging for him, okay? But it's realistic. He can do it. He know that he can do it. So why this system is effective? Let me explain. It is precisely effective because, hey, let's just say, okay, I think we can all pretty much agree that in the span of the next months, okay, 30 days, he isn't going to be feeling motivated 100% of the time, right? But hey, even on the days when he is not feeling motivated, one, he already created an obligation, okay, a commitment to his friend. He already got some obligation to fulfill this obligation, okay? He has already mentioned to his friend about the importance of exercising, the urgency, why does he want to do it? And hey, he already committed. There's going to be a higher obligation not to break this commitment, since precisely you have tell it to one of your close friends, okay? That's one thing. And secondly, it's something that's realistic, okay? It's something that you know that you can be doing. It's not like the commitment is to do 1,000 push-ups every single day. No, but for this one person, it's 10 push-ups every single day, and for him, it's something that's realistic to do. And the last reason, hey, it is the right thing to do, okay? Exercising to get healthy, exercising to build discipline in your life. There's actually going to be some reward for actually doing that thing, okay? When you say that you are going to be doing something and you actually do it, you're going to be feeling like, oh yeah, just like when you play a video game and there's this one quest log, okay? There's this one quest log and you finish the quest log, you get some reward, you get that feeling of, yeah, I made it, okay? You are going to be feeling the same feeling in real life. So that's how you actually be consistent at doing something, by using systems and not relying too much on your motivation. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Join our Discord, leave a comment. The Discord links in the description. Oh yeah, and for today's day, our authenticity post today, August 6, 2025, and today's memes are posted an explaining meme guy post last 24 hours, GMT +7, but this video might be uploaded like 1 or 2 days from now because, hey, I edited by myself. Thank you.